Okay, this is first impressions of this cooler. I bought this for camping, and I like the rugged texture. Easy to see screen with controls. You can also use an app. Built-in cup holders, measurements. A lock, so you can't just open it. You have to press this button. Really good size. This is a 59 quart. I'll also drain plug on the bottom. My only real main concern so far is this handle. I mean, look how flimsy that is. I'm not sure this is gonna hold up to long-term use, but we shall see. It also has a handle on that side. I really like the wheels. Definitely a good addition. Comes with the car charger, AC wall charger as well. Initial first cooling, it was at 75 degrees. I set it to max mode and I timed it. It was like 29 minutes, maybe 50 seconds to go from 75 down to 40. You don't want to use max mode all the time. That's only to quickly cool down. Otherwise, it's just going to put excessive wear on your compressor and shorten the life of this thing. So use Echo most of the time. But I'll definitely update my review, see how it holds up.
Alright, this is my EUHOMY. I do have a meat over here. So it was working last night and then it stopped this morning. It went up to 44. I had the temperature set at 33, and now, the compressor kicked in, but it has that weird sound. That Morse code sound. So either there's a leak on the free one, but it's intermittent, so it's not good.